Magic art.
Hello friends, welcome to Magic Art. How to draw a table and chair, easy drawing and coloring for kids. Let's draw cutest table and chair ever. What if your table and chair could smile? This table is so cute, even pencil want to sit on it. Oops, my chair looks ready for snacks time already. Oh, this chair already looks more comfortable than mine. Grab your crayons. Furniture magic is starting now. Let's color the table bright brown and the chair rainbow style. Subscribe for more fun drawing and coloring videos. More royal art is coming soon. Like and subscribe for more easy kids drawing videos.